rude.
Whoa, I'm about to pull up at your crib in the big body. Gotta go, man, the mommy about to catch your body. Mommy, if I go down on your body, promise that you won't tell nobody. Don't tell nobody.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm back to you guys with another affordable wig review. The wig I'm going to be reviewing today, I did win in a giveaway from another YouTuber. Y'all can follow her on Instagram at pretty as a peaches. I'm going to put her Instagram name somewhere at the bottom, or I'm for sure going to put it in the link below. You are rude. I do not. Okay, you guys, so the wig I'm going to be reviewing today is from Empress, Sensationnel collection. It is a lace front, and I got it in the style Chana. The color that she had did, it was very vibrant, excuse me. She did the colorful one, and if you know me, y'all know I'm not really good on colors, but I wanted to try something out. I got her in the color Mermaid Sunset, which is like kind of a fiery look that I saw. So we're just gonna get right into it. Ta-da! Okay, so this is the final look. I really don't know exactly how I feel about it just because the color, but the hair itself, I actually really do like. This curl pattern, I think is so pretty. I would want to get this in either a 1B or a number 4 if they have it, honestly, because this is so pretty. I can see me wearing this very natural. I have seen some ladies do it as a side part as well, and it come out cute. I'm really not the side part type, but I would try that out one day. Maybe. Okay, y'all, so yeah, this is Chana. Like I said, I don't know how I feel about her. You are disrespectful. He want to be in the camera so bad, y'all. But yeah, I really don't know how I feel about her at all, but she's very pretty. Like, the color is different for me, so maybe that's why. But all right, so y'all heard my opinion. I want to hear yours. Make sure you comment below. Let me know how y'all feel about it. Are y'all feeling it? Are y'all feeling this color? Can you picture yourself in this color or another color, whatever it may be? Make sure you like, comment still, and subscribe. Hit that bell so y'all are notified whenever I am making another video, and I have something coming up that I'm so excited for and cannot wait to share with you guys. So please stay tuned.